I welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 12 for grade 3 mathematics. And we were studying the topic. We started the topic, what number am I, in the last class, which is on page number 52. So what we are going to do today, we will revise the previous concepts, whatever we studied in the last class. And then we will start from question number 4 and we will complete other questions of this topic. Guys, what number in this topic, what number am I? What we have to do, we actually have to solve the number puzzles. And these number puzzles we will solve by using the concept which we have learned in the last topic, double and half. So we have to solve these number puzzles by using the concept of double and half. Okay. So question number 1. What was question number 1, guys? Question number 1 was, half of me is 5 and double me is 20. What number am I? There is a number. If you find out half of that number, you don't know the number, but if you divide that number by 2, so the answer will be 5. Answer will be 5. There is a number whose half is 5. What is that number? So in order to find out that number, what you can do, guys? Instead of half, do opposite. Find out double. Find out double. When you find out double of 5, double of what? Double of 5, because the answer is 5. When you find out double of 5, you will get the answer 5 multiplied by 2, that is 10. Now check that half of 10 is 5. So yes, half of 10 is 5. That's means your answer is correct. Okay. So in the question, what you have to do, the question is giving you 2 hints. Half of me is 5 and double of me is 20. What number am I? There is a number. If you find out the half of that number, the answer should be 5. This is the hint by question. What am I? What number am I? What is the number? You have to find out. So you will undo it. You will find out the double of the 5, and in that way you will find out the answer. Another way, guys, is to use the second hint. The second hint is double of me is 20. That means there is a number. If you double it, double means if you multiply it by 2, you will get the answer, that is 20. There is a number. If you double it, you will get the answer 20. So in order to find out that, find the opposite. What is the opposite of double? Half. Take the answer is 20, and find out the half of the answer. 20 divided by 2 is equals to 10. In that ways, you can find out the number. Clear, guys?
Sir, I know something about the math.
Yes, sir.
Know something about the math.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's very good. So guys, you know how to find out a number. Use any of the hint. Half of me is 5. Okay. So find out the double of 5. Find out the double of 5 in order to find out the number. Or use the second hint. This is double of me is 20. So find out the half of 20. In both ways, you will find out the answer. Let's take question number 2 example. Question number 2 is saying half of me is 2. Half of me is 2. There is a number, if you divide it by 2, that's mean if you find out the half of that number, you will get the 2. You know, in order to find out the half, what you do, you divide. That's mean if you divide that number by 2, the answer is 2. So instead of half, cut the half, find out double. Double of what? Double of 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Okay. Check your answer with the second hint. Or, okay, check your answer with the second hint. If you double that number, the answer is 8. So find out half. 8 is the answer. Find out half of 8. 8 divided by 2 is, so 4 is the answer. Now you can check. Half of 4 is 2. Yes. Double of 4 is 8. Yes. So the answer number is 4. Clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
I want to tell you some.
Very good. Let's take example of question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3 is saying double me is 100. First hint is double me is 100. There is a number. If you double it, you will get the answer 100. So find out the half of the answer. The answer is 100. Find out the half of the answer. In order to find out the half of the answer, you have to divide 100 by 2. So 100 divided by 2 is equals to what? Divide 100 by 2. 2 outside. 2, 5, 10. 10 minus 10, 0. This 0 will be down now. 2 multiplied by what will give you 0? 2 multiplied by 0 will give you 0. And this is your answer, 50. So 100 divided by 2 equals to 50. So the answer is 50. That means the number is 50. Or check your answer with the second hint also. Half of me is 25. So find out the double of the answer. 25 in doubles, you multiply by 2. Multiply by 2 equals to what? You can check here. 25 multiply by 2. 2 by 5, 10. 0 here, 1 you regrow. 2 multiply by 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So it is also same. That means the number is 50. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's very good. So what number am I? How to solve these questions? Your concept is clear?
There I can answer the second one.
I can see one. I can.
That's very good. Now, guys, for question number 4, you are going to answer me. Tell me what number am I? Half of me is 1. Half of me is 1 and double of me is 4. Half of me is 1 and double of me is 4. What number am I? Maki, very good. Hamedo, very good. Question number 4, answer, guys. Muhammad, very good. Sharif, very good. Ammar, write only one time. And instead of writing that much, 2, show how to. Muhammad Fadi, very good. Suleiman, very good. Ammar, very good. Rafiq, very good. Ahmad Yusuf, very good. Ilyas, very good. Umar Hassan, Ayan Farhan, very good. Maki, very good. Let me take one of the student, guys. Majid Awad. Majid Awad. Can you hear me?
Sir,
Yes. Question number 4.
question number 4.
Answer. Yes. Half of me is 1 and double of me is 4. What number am I?
Half of me is 1 and double me is 4. What number am?
I'm asking you the answer. What is the answer for question number 4? Half of me is 1 and double of me is 4. What is the answer here?
1/2.
1/2. Okay. Equals to.
2.
So what is the answer? What is the answer?
2.
2. 2 is the answer. That's very good. 1 multiplied by 2
And-
equals to 2. Yes, and
2. 25. 4.
2, not 2 divide, 4 divided by 2. Thank you. You are taking continuously help from your parents. Okay. I need all of you to answer by yourself. Okay. No need to take help. And in the chat, yeah, there are more than 5 questions in this topic. So guys, I repeat how you have to check. Okay. Half of me is 1. So find out the double of 1. 1 multiplied by 2. Find out the double of 1. So 2 is the number. Or use the second hint. Double of me is 4. Okay. So find out the half of 4. 4 divided by 2 is. In both ways, you will find the same answer. That is 2. What number is that? That number is 2. Okay. Question number 5. We will do that work in the notebook, guys, after question number 5 practice. Question number 5. Double of me is 32. Double of me is 32 and half of me is 8. What number am I? Yes, guys. Answer me, please. Very good, Sharif. Hamido, very good. Ahmad Yusuf, very good. Muhammad, no. Zaid, no. For question number 5, answer. Look, double of me is 32 and half of me is 8. What number am I? I give you the hint, guys, how you have to do it. I am giving you the hint. Use only one hint first. Okay. This is the double. So find out the half. 32. Find out the half of 32. Half of 32. The half of 32 will be the answer. Double is given. So find out the half of that. So what is half of 32? That will be your answer. This is the hint. Very good, Sharif. What about other students? Answer me please in the chat box. Suleiman Al Subhani, Suleiman Soleh, Yusuf Ali, Zaid, Maki, Muhammad Majid, Ayan, Anas Ali, Adam, Mashri. What is the number? What number am I? Six? No, it is not six. Look, guys, double of me is 32. Find out half of 32. How you find out half of 32? By dividing 32, dividing by 2. So you write 32 inside and 2 outside. Check out the table of 2. Is there 3 in the table of 2? No. Then you will write 2, 1, 2. 2 multiplied by 1 equals to 2, and then subtract 3 minus 2, 1. Put this 2 down. Now it is 12. 2 multiplied by 6 equals to 12. 12 minus 12, 0. So the answer is 16. Double of me is 32. The answer is here 16. Even you can check half of me is 8. Find out the double of 8. 8 multiplied by 2 equals to also 16. Clear, guys?
Still, I give you the answer.
Yes, sir.
Write another answer.
Yes, sir.
Write the other answer.
Now, guys, even if you have questions, so please send the message in the chat box. If you did not understand anything, please send the message in the chat box. Okay. If you did not understand anything, please send the message in the chat box. I will make you understand again. Okay. Because this is very important topic. Okay, no messages. Still no messages. That's mean you all understand. Okay. Take out your notebooks, guys. Now we are going to start work from question number 4. Today is 13. It is Monday. Page number is same. And question number 4. Question number 4. Start writing from question number 4, guys. Question number 4 is half of me is 1. Half of me is 1. And double of me is 4. What number am I? So how to solve it? Half of me is 1, so you will find out the double. You write the answer 1, then multiply it by double. 1 by 2 equals to 2. And the double of me is 4. So find out half of 4. Write 4 first, answer first. Then use divide. Is equals to also 2. This is question number 4. This is the answer, and you will say, sir, the number is clear?
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
Thank you.
Very good. Start writing question number 4, guys, in your notebooks. Question number 4 in your notebook, please. Then I will write question number 5. Question number 5 then. What is question number 5? Question number 5 is double me is 32. Double me is 32. Half of me is 8. What number am I? This is the question, guys. Double of me is 32 and half of me is 8. Its double is 32. Write the double first and find out the half of 32. Half of 32. I show you when you find out the half of 32. So you will get the answer, that is 16. You can write or. Here you guys also write or here. You can use the second hint. Second hint is half of me is 8. So find out double of 8. 8 multiplied by 2. That is also equals to 16. So the number is 16. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Sharif, I know your concept is clear. I have checked your answers in the chat box, okay? Any other students who have question, guys? If you have questions, if you did not understand anything, so feel free to ask the question, please. Now I am writing question number 6. Question number 6. Half of me is 20 and double me is 80. Half of me is 20 and double me is 80. What number am I? This is the question, guys. Half of me is 20 and double me is 80. What number am I? So this is, you have to answer it by yourself, guys, in the chat, please. Half of me is 20 and double me is 80. Half me is 20, double me is 80. What number is that? So find out the double of 20 or find out the half of 80. In both ways, you can find, you can tell me the answer. What number is that? Zaid, Fadi, very good. Hamedo, very good. What about other students? What is the answer? Tell me, please. Abdulaziz Fahad, wrong. You did mistake. Ayan Farhan, very good. Suleiman Al Subhani, very good. Sharif Ahmad, very good. Ammar, very good. Umar Hassan, very good. Ammar, don't send useless message in the chat box. And who is not answering, I want to check. Mashri, I did not receive your answer. Ali, Ahmad Yusuf, Ayman, Adam Khalid, Amjad, Muhammad Fadi, Muhammad Said, Mantar, Umar Hassan, Suleiman, Maki. Yes. Abdul Rahim Fadi, very good. Zaid, 10 is not the answer. Adam Khalid, very good. Mashri, your answer is wrong. 16, no. Muhammad, no. 16. Okay, Sharif, okay. No, Ayman. Very good, Muhammad. Very good, Mashri. Very good. Your chat is private, so you cannot see answers of your friends. Very good. Very good. All right, guys. So I'm writing it until you are sending the answers. I am writing here. How you will write the answer? Half of me is 20, so find out the double of 20. 20 by. Okay, multiply 20 by 2 and write the answer. Or double me is 80, so find out half of 80. And then divided by 2. In both ways, you will find one answer. Okay, and that answer you will say the number is so half of me is 20 and double of me is 80. I show you the answer of it in other screen. 20 multiplied by 2. How you will multiply 20 by 2? Look here. 20 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 0 equals to 0. And 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4. So 20 multiplied by 2, 40. 20 multiplied by 2 equals to 40. So you will write 40. Or 80 divided by 2. This is 80 divided by 2. So how you will divide 80 by 2? Here you will write 80 inside. And you will divide by 2. 2 table check, 2 table up to 8. 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 2 3 6 and 2 4 8. 8 minus 8 0. This 0 will go down. 2 multiplied by what will give you 0? 2 multiplied by 0 will give you 0. 40 is the answer. 80 divided by 2 is also 40. That means the number is 40. Very good. Is it clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
the answer about the another question. Give me the answer about that.
Very good, very good, very good. So guys, we are using the concept of doubles and half in solving the number puzzles. Whenever half of a number is given and we are asked what number am I, so you find out the opposite. to find out the double of 20, and in that way you will get the answer. There are two hints. Even if only one hint is given to you, you can find the answer. You don't need two hints for the answer, okay? Let's suppose if you don't know half of me is 20, you just know the double of me is 80. So find out the half of 80. Half of 80 is 40, so number is 40. You can even check the number is 40. So 40 half should be 20. If you divide 40 by 2, you will get the answer 20. And the double of 40 should be 80. So 40 multiplied by 2 is also 80. Okay. Let's come to the book. We have in book, we have question number 7. Question number 7 is double of me is 28. Half of me is 7. Double of me is 28. Half of me is 7. What number am I? Yes, guys, answer me in the chat, please. Double of me is 28. When you double me, when you multiply me with 2, you will get the answer 28. Half of me is 7. When you divide me by 2, you will get 7. What number am I? Very good, Sharif. Zaid, very good. Ali, for question number 7, I'm asking now. Question number 7. I'm writing question number 7, guys, in the notebook. You have to write in the notebook. Question number 7. Double me is 28. Half of me is 7. What number am I? This is question number 7, guys. So double of me is 27. So find out the half of 27. 27. Then divided by, it should be 28. Double of me is 28. So find out the half of 28. Right? Or half of me is 7. So find out the double of 7. In both ways, you can find out the answer. In both ways, you can find out the answer. Very good. All right. So this is, I'm going to show you now. 28 divided by 2. How you will divide 28 by 2? Let's check here. Write 28 inside. And divide it by 2. Check out the table of 2. Up to only 2. 2 by 1, 2. 2 minus 2 equals to 0. Then this 8 will go down. 2 by 4 equals to 40. 2 by 4 equals to 8. 8 minus 8, 0. So 28 divided by 2 equals to 40. So you will like 14 here. 28 divided by 2 equals to 14. Now check with the doubles also. 7 multiplied by 2. Check the table of 2 up to 7. 7, 1, 7, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, 6, 2, 4, 8, 2, 5, 10, 2, 6, 12, and 2, 7, 14. So the answer is 14. So you can say the number is 7. Number is, sorry, 14. The number is 14. 28 divided by 2 also 14. 7 by 2 is also 14. So 14, if you double 14, you will get 28. If you half 14, so you will get 7. Clear, guys?
Sir, I give you the answer about the another one.
Just
Very good. Ayman, want to tell me something? Yes, Ayman.
This 70 plus 2 and 40. Sir,
Yes.
sir, you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
70 plus 2, 40.
7. It's not plus, it's multiply, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So, Ayman, did you get it? How to solve
Yes,
these
yes,
questions?
sir.
Because you were
Yes.
not answering correctly in the chat box. You participated
Yes,
one or
sir.
two times, but you tell the answer wrong. Now it is clear to
Okay.
you. Okay. Yes, guys. Everyone, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
Very good. You have to practice question number 1 to 7 in your home again. Try to solve this question by yourself. Okay, how to solve this? This is a very important topic. And if you did not understand anything, you can ask me in the tomorrow's class as well. Inshallah, from tomorrow, we will start from question number 8. And question number 8 will be similar to question number 7 of these questions. Okay, so we will do these questions in the next class. Question number 8, 9, they all are similar. Half of a number and the double of the number, the answer is given, and you have to find out that which number double and which number half is taken out. So you will do the opposite. If you are given a double of our number with answer, so find out the half of the answer. In that way, you will find out that number. If you are given a half of any number, so find out the double of the answer. In that way, you can find out the answer. Clear, guys?
I want to tell you something, sir.
Very good. Sharif, I will take your comments in the next class. Okay. Our class time is finished. Inshallah, meet you tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.